Hello. It's great to have you here. Welcome to another hands-on class of ERP Havieri. Today we are going to advance in our automated purchasing system and get to know the purchase quotation screen. This is the second stage of the flow. After purchase requisitions are created, they converge here, where you make quotations with suppliers, negotiate prices, quantities, and prepare everything for the goods receipt. The quotation screen is where the magic of negotiation happens. When you access it, you see the listing of all already registered quotations. The table shows the code, date, company, supplier, phone, mobile, responsible person, status, and the actions menu. The filtering system allows you to search by period and by status, in progress, pre-finalized, canceled, or completed. Let's create a new quotation. I click on the Register tab. The first thing you need to do is select the supplier. On the left side, we have the entity photo and a complete panel with tabs for you to search and analyze the supplier before even starting the quotation. You can search for the supplier by name, see the complete profile with contact data, address, credit limit, purchase history, and even movement charts. This is extremely important because before quoting, you need to know who you are negotiating with. On the right side, we have the currency selection. Since ERP Havieri serves all of Central America and South America, you can quote in the supplier's country currency, whether real, peso, dollar, or any other registered currency. After selecting the supplier and currency, the system releases the products area. Here we have two main tabs, Product Search and Cart. In the Search tab, the system already automatically loads all products that are in the active purchase requisitions. Look how intelligent. The ERP pulls directly from the purchase requisition screen the items that need to be purchased, with the requested quantities and the stock balance of each one. You see a table with checkboxes to select products, the code, description, current cost, available stock, requested quantity, and the item photo. Just check the products you want to quote with this supplier, adjust quantities if necessary, and click Save Selected. If there are no requested products, the button changes to Proceed and you can manually search for products in the catalog. After saving, the products go to the Cart tab. And here is where the quotation really happens. The cart shows each product with several important columns: photo, code, description, cost, stock, supplier code, requested quantity, offered quantity, unit value, total value, and status. Notice that you can inform the supplier's product code, which facilitates the order. You can adjust the offered quantity, which is not always equal to the requested quantity. And the main thing, inform the unit value that the supplier is charging. The system automatically calculates the total of each line and the grand total of the products. Down here you have the freight, surcharge, and discount fields. All of them update the grand total in real time. Just type and the system recalculates everything instantly. Next, you select the company, shipping method, payment method, and the quotation validity date. The shipping method can be postal service, carrier, or others. The payment method, advance, on delivery, or invoiced. And the validity is essential to know until when that quotation is valid. Below, a text field for observations and the quotation status. When you are working on it, it stays as in progress. After finalizing the negotiation, you can change it to pre-finalized or completed. In the footer, two important buttons. The Update button saves all changes you made in the cart and fields. The Functions menu offers two powerful options: send the quotation by email to the supplier with all formatted content, and the Approve Quotation button. When you approve a quotation, the system performs a series of automatic operations. First, it generates the purchase entry automatically, copying all supplier data, products, quantities, values, freight, and payment conditions. Second, it updates the status of items in the purchase requisitions to quoted, closing the cycle. And third, it finalizes the quotation, preventing new changes. This means that after approval, the quotation is already ready for the next stage of the flow, the purchase entry, which we will study in the next class. This entire process is integrated with the screens we already know. Suppliers come from the Entities screen. Products come from Product Registration and Purchase Requisitions. And when approved, the quotation automatically feeds the purchase entry, which in turn will generate discrepancies and tax documents. The great differential of ERP Havieri is this integrated intelligence. Nothing is isolated. Each stage communicates with the previous one and prepares the next. And all of this working in multiple languages and adapted to the tax rules of each country in Central America and South America. To conclude, the purchase quotation is where you transform requisitions into real negotiations. You select the supplier, analyze their profile, choose the products, negotiate prices and quantities, calculate the total with freight and discounts, and when you approve, the system automatically generates the purchase entry. In the next class, we will get to know the purchase entry screen where the goods arrive and the process continues. If you are enjoying our classes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications for the next videos. Subscribe and follow the entire series. Thank you very much and see you in the next hands-on class of ERP Havieri. Agora vou gerar os títulos descritos e palavras-chave para os 3 idiomas.